Cheers! This is LH Crypto Fortnite Analytics again on your YouTube screens. Just like always, brief overview of what's happening on the crypto market, what are the most peculiar happenings of the past 2 weeks, and stocks advice of the week, of course, with traditionally economic calendar as a completion. Let's go! So Bitcoin, the world's most valuable currency, has dropped as low as to 32,000 per every coin after a correction estimated at approximately 20%. Price dips is not as surprising and demonstrating as the network activity of Bitcoin that dropped substantially in the prevailing days. According to the latest analysis published by the crypto analytical platform Glassnode, active Bitcoin addresses are down to below 900,000, and it is the number down by 25% since the peak of 1.16 million. I think that a lot of crypto owners were just kicked off of the market due to the short squeeze and margin call. Although the price has dropped just 20%, drop of USD value of Bitcoin network dropped by 63% compared to the recent peaks in May 2021, and Bitcoin is currently setting around 18.3 billion per day. Well, news pressure continues on the crypto market. Vice President of the Foundry Network said that over 70% of crypto mining plants are already shut off in China. So we all saw that photos, pics of empty shells, which were once home and resting for the video cards, but still number is growing. Estimations predict that by the end of June, over 90% of all Chinese crypto mining farms will be closed. Landon Cassill is going to be the first racer of NASCAR. NASCAR is the most popular series of races in the United States of America. Is going to be the first racer to receive his salary in Bitcoins and Litecoins as a part of the promo campaign of the local broker. Not to mention that they're going to demonstrate the Dogecoin car. And actually, when this episode was prepared, the whole crypto community was talking about it. But let's have a short flashback. Amir Kaye, the chief operating officer of AfriCrypt, and his co-founder Rai Kaye disappeared on April 13 with their clients' bitcoins worth 3.6 billion. By that time, the amount estimates is 69,000 bitcoins. The point is that just back on this week, a few news appeared that two guys might just take a flight to the United Kingdom. Well, just the best way to hide from every legal prosecution whatsoever, especially if you have 3.6 billion belongings. Then makes the fraud one of the largest in the history of crypto world and generally of the financial world as it is. And it clearly demonstrates how dangerous it is to trust your savings, especially in bitcoins, to their known funds, which are present on the market just for a few years, which cannot be applied to LH Crypto. Our team is present in market since 2004, multiple thousand of clients satisfied, new services introduced, including one of the most profitable and lucrative offer for leverage. So open an account and try your luck. Stop watching. Start doing. Not less exciting news are happening in the real world. The stocks of AMC Entertainment, one of the most popular Reddit platform meme stocks, are growing. The point is that before the new cinema season has started in the United States, rumors said that most probable is the drop of AMC stocks, and many short positions were opened, just like it happened with GameStop. Surprisingly, over 2 million of visitors, over 2 million of spectators attended the AMC cinema movie theaters last weekend, and that totally boosted the stocks, making all the shortest positions be cut by the whole $500 million, up by 15%. Well, it definitely shows how dangerous it is to short meme stocks, at least if you don't hold your finger on the button. Still, it's not the largest loss of shortest compared to 2.8 billion that they lost after the 127% growth of AMC earlier this year. Another brilliant example of how a celebrity may drop the company's stocks or send it to the moon. Well, the captain of Portugal football team, Cristiano Ronaldo, put aside 2 bottles of Coca-Cola on his press conference dedicated to the European football tournament. Then he just rose the bottle of water, saying water, just indicating that it is the best drink, and he personally doesn't like that. For example, his son is really mad about Coca-Cola and so on and so forth. The French player Paul Pogba put away a bottle of Heineken Blue, although this is a 0% alcohol beer, he still did it. And yes, he is a well-known Muslim, and Muslim refuses alcohol and so on and so forth, but still, compared to Cristiano Ronaldo, who dropped the stocks of Coca-Cola by 2% that day, over 2% a day, Paul Pogba's action make no impact on Heineken stocks, luckily or not. What we wanted to advise is that clearly follow the actions of celebrities. Sometimes they are more powerful than the whole markets and countries. And finally, economic calendar. Wednesday, June 30th, is a day for manufacturing PMI in June in China and CPI in European Union, and surely none less important, ADP, non-farm employment change in the United States. Thursday, July the 1st, is a day of manufacturing PMIs in Germany, US and UK, and Friday, July the 2nd, is an employment rate in US which is expected to grow, unfortunately, just as it did several last weeks, but still the market seen optimistic. Also, they're still unsure whether to go up or down. Whenever they move, we will discuss it in our episodes, so take care, wear your masks, and may the profit be with you. Bye.